Okay, welcome back, student. See, particles have space between them. See, we have to see the any particles have a space. Okay, for example, we have to see the here in first experiment, first activity in last session for also we learn. We are taking the here 250 ml of water. Okay, adding to the it is a sugar. What will happen? Is it increasing the volume of the water? No, there is no increasing. These particles is just settle down in between this like small particles, water molecules. That's why it is not increasing their volume. Next we have to learn today is a size of the particles. We have to see the size of the particles. See, we have to take the first of all a water. So it is 100 ml of water and we have to add to the KMnO4 crystals. See, potassium permanganate crystals. We have to see that these small particles is a breakdown in millions of the particles and settle down in between this water. Okay, it will be formed it is a color. See which color? It is a blue color is a forming. Potassium permanganate KMnO4 we added, or we have to add to instead of, so it is a ferrous sulfate also. What will happen? It is a purple color is there, dark purple color is there. Now we have to see take another beaker and adding to see, this is a 10 ml solution and we have to take the 90 ml. See, 90 ml of pure water and add to the 10 ml this solution. This solution is adding to the 10 ml. See, totally 100 ml is there. What will happen? Next we have to take see, decreasing of their concentration of color. See, decreasing of the concentration of color. See, get little lighter color. Color will be changed. Whole water color will be, see, it is a same. See this like again we have to take here also another beaker. See, observe the properly. See, again we are taking, it is a 10 ml here to a 90 ml. So it is a pure water. See this like if doing experiment this like activity, so it is a 90 ml pure water and adding to the 10 ml. See this solution. What will happen? Decreasing of the color. So it is a color is a decreasing. Get lighter color. See, we are getting the finally lighter color. Lighter color. See this like what says size of the particles. Particle size is a very small, but the particles is a breakdown in the millions of. See this like. Next we have to take the one drop of divide into the millions of particles. One drop is dividing into the millions of particles. See, we conclude that the particles have a space between them and size of the particles. See, in your book also is a given this one. Okay, what's it next? Particles of matter moving constantly. Say this particle, for example, at your home, see front of our god, so it is a burning of the candle, burning of the incense stick. See what will happen? The spreading of smell one corner to another corner. Say spreading of the smell one corner to another corner. We are getting the smell this like. Means what is? See, gases is diffusing high concentration to low concentration. High concentration to low concentration. Even we have to see the at our home, your mother also adding the, see it is a what do you calling blue? See it is a nearly we are calling. See if we add to the this water to a drop of see ink, what will happen? It is spreading the whole the water. See, we are calling the particle constantly moving. See, particles are constantly moving. Particles are constantly moving, and we have to see the, it is a required the heating. If we heat, what will happen? It will be move very fastly, and it will be dissolve and stirring, and we have to see the, so it is a movement become a fast. Movement become a fast. For example, your mother is giving to the a glass of milk and adding to the sugar. See what will happen? Mother should be milk to heat, otherwise she has to give a spoon and we have to stir. See, it will be easily, it is a spreading throughout the glass of milk. See this sugar is a, what will happen? If I sipping the this milk, in bottom is a totally sugar is there. See, when I come to the this corner, we are getting the very sweet because of, see, this is a called the diffusion. So it is a moving the high concentration to low concentration. Next solid also, it is a diffusion is a occurring. This is a space between them, the space between them. And we have to see the next one is a the particles of matter attract each other. The particles of matter also attracting to each other. See, next particles of matter attract each other. See, these so many particles is attracting each other. See, for example, we have to see that this is a iron rod. This is a iron rod. See, it will break too. It is a very hard, very difficult. See, it is a breaking for is a very difficult. And what said, it is a more attraction between particles. It is a more attraction is there. More attraction between particles. So it is a more attraction is there in this particle. Next we have to see the duster. So it is a dust, see what do you call it? Eraser. See, eraser, it will be easy, it is a more hard. It is also hard because it is made from rubber. Next we have to see the wooden scale. Wooden scale is there, this one. Wooden scale. See, it is a easy to break down. It is easy to break down, this like. See, it is easy to break down. See, wooden scale. It is easy to break down. Next we have to see the chalk. Chalk is there. See, this chalk is a easy to break down. See this one, chalk. Easy to break. Easy to break down this chalk. Next, it is a attraction to less force. It is a very less attraction. Attraction between particles. Attraction between particles particles are less. See, their particles between the less is there. See this like some substances, some matter has a particles is a very close to each other. See this marker. Marker is the particles to very close to each other. It is a very hard to the break down. But see chalk piece, wooden scale, see wood, see this like so many substances is a very hard to very easy, and some matter is a very easy, some matter is a very hard to break down their matter. Next we have to see the recap. Okay, recap is there. What is recap? Matter is made up of particles. We have to see the any matter is made of the particles. Matter is made of particles. See any matter, we have to take the any matter, it will made from only particles. Next, particles have space between them. Particles have space between them. Next we have to see the particles are moving constantly. Particles are moving constantly. Particles are moving the very constantly. Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter attract to each other. See, particle of matter attract to each other. See, we have to see the here matter is made of only particles, small particles. Particles have a space between them, and the particles are moving constantly one place to another place. See, particles of matter attract each other. Which of the following are matter? See, next question, which of the following are matter? Which of the following are matter? See, first this is a question. See, chair is there. Chair is matter. Air is matter. Love, is there love matter? And see, affection and taste, behavior, see, cold, it is a, see, cold drinks, cold, is there matter? No. Next we have to see the animals. See, which have a mass, we are calling the matter. See, chair is a matter is there. Air matter. Love, see, it is a not matter. See, next, affection, taste, it is not matter. Behavior also not matter. Cold is a matter is there. Next, cold drinks also matter. Cold, see, no matter. See, it is a animals is a matter. we have to classify them. See, thought is not matter. See, this like the giving to the homework and you have to do.